Welcome to my YouTube channel, and what we will be talking about is the car. The 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia blends retro charm with modern technology, bringing the iconic coupe back to life with a sleek yet familiar design. At the front, the classic rounded shape remains, now enhanced with LED headlights and a minimalist grille. The sculpted hood flows smoothly into the fenders, maintaining the car's signature curves while integrating aerodynamic improvements. Chrome accents add a nostalgic touch, while the lowered stance and wider track hint at the performance upgrades beneath the surface. Inside, the cabin offers a mix of vintage inspiration and high-tech luxury. A fully digital driver display replaces traditional gauges, while the infotainment system is seamlessly integrated into a clean dashboard with soft-touch materials and brushed aluminum details. Premium leather seats with contrast stitching provide both comfort and support. Despite its compact size, the 2025 Karmann Ghia maximizes space efficiency, offering clever storage solutions and a surprisingly roomy interior. A premium audio system and customizable ambient lighting enhance the driving experience. Under the hood, Volkswagen has embraced electrification, equipping the Karmann Ghia with a high-performance electric motor. The rear-wheel drive setup stays true to its classic roots, delivering an engaging driving feel with instant torque and smooth acceleration. A state-of-the-art battery pack provides an impressive range, ensuring long drives without frequent charging stops. Advanced regenerative braking and selectable driving modes allow for a dynamic yet efficient ride. At the rear, the modernized fastback design integrates slim LED taillights and an active spoiler for improved aerodynamics. The frunk up front adds practicality, providing extra storage for small luggage or charging accessories. With a perfect balance of heritage and innovation, the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia revives a beloved classic for the electric era, delivering a stylish, fun-to-drive coupe with a timeless appeal. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more such videos.